So our March 2018 paper pumpkin arrived, and we're super excited to take a look. And we haven't unboxed it, so we're seeing it for the first time with you. Here we go. All right, hey, don't grab yet. All right, so our stamp set. We've got a little flower, a leaf, a little squirrely girl, happy birthday, hello. What a beautiful friendship we've grown. May good things grow all year long. And happy Mother's Day. Oh, that's exciting.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day is coming soon. We've got early espresso stamp spot.
I'm done with my scissors.
Let's see. The thank you gift, the big exciting gift we've been hearing about. Looks like they're wooden cutouts. Let's take a peek. Okay. Okay, hold on. So, looks like there's two wood, of the same thing. So that's fun. Pretty. Looks like they're exactly the same. Okay. Put that. There we go. All right. So here it is. Let's take a look. See what we got. All right. Let's get this out of the way. We have May Good Things Grow. Okay, let's take a look and see what's inside here. Very pretty cards. Lots of goodies on the inside. All right, let's see here. Okay, don't touch, okay?
Okay. Thank you for watching.
Okay. All right, so
there was that.
We have the instructions for the cards. It looks like we can make, it looks like, I don't know if these are cards. Let's see. Okay. So we've got some stickers, four packs of these stickers. No.
Can I do stickers when we're done?
We've got some stripes that are stickers. So it looks like little pink and some yellow dots. Some die cut labels. Tons of dimensionals. That's exciting. Some glue dots. Stop.
Glue dots?
All right, let's see.
Glue dots?
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 purple.
Mommy, can I have
and 4.
Okay.
So 8 cards. So let's see what these are. So we've got, oh, these little layer pieces. That's so pretty. Look at these flowers. Really pretty. Don't peel these. And some pink. I'm sure that's called something.
Glue diamonds.
The dots. Okay. So there's
glue dots.
4 of each.
We got
okay.
Glue.
Okay. No, please don't peel. Just don't touch. Let's see, little brads. Okay. These are the envelopes. Look at how pretty. Okay, and green. Oh, and that goes all the way in. Oh, that's so pretty. And flower packets. Looks like flower seeds. Oh, and purple. Again, that goes all the way in. That's so pretty, though. Oh, what a nice Mother's Day set. Okay.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Then we got some enamel dotty pearls, some purple and some like a pinkish color.
And So,
You've got some twine. Looks
and
like just plain white. Some white twine. I'm gonna put it away. And the last thing here is some purple
ribbon.
ribbon. Yes. Let's see. 4.5 yards of purple ribbon. Very nice. That's a lot of ribbon. All right, hey, look, we gotta put it away now.
I want to put it on my neck.
Oh. All right.
It's like a necklace.
What color is it?
Pink.
No,
On my necklace.
purple.
My necklace.
Okay.
Necklace.
Let's go. All right. So there. Pretty set. May good things grow. So stay tuned for alternate Paper Pumpkin March 2018 May Good Things Grow projects. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks.
It's amazing. Thank you for watching.